Now see this example here, the magnetic field in a plane electromagnetic wave is given by By is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7. That means B naught is given to us 10 raised to power, that is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7 Tesla, sin 0.5 into 10 raised to power 3 x plus 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11 t. This capital T stands for Tesla, that is a SI unit of magnetic field. Now, what is the wavelength and frequency of the electromagnetic wave, which is represented by this one, and now write expression for the electric field. So, now see here, this one can be compared with this, By is equal to, we can write here B naught into sin kx plus omega t. We can go by this way here. So, obviously, in this one B naught is here. So, we can write B naught is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7 Tesla. From this equation here, the k is this much and k is this much here. So, k can be written 2 pi upon lambda is equal to 0.5 into 10 raised to power 3. So, we can write here now lambda is equal to 2 pi upon 0.5 into 10 raised to power 3 is equal to 1.26 meter. So, we can solve this and we can get the wavelength is coming 1.26 meter. Now, we can calculate also the frequency, and now the frequency here we have got the value of the omega. So, we can write in this case omega is equal to, here omega is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11, and omega can be written 2 pi nu is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11. So, that is nu is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11 upon 2 pi, and when you solve it you will be getting around 23.9 into 10 raised to power 9 hertz, that is coming here 23.9 gigahertz. This is about the wavelength, frequency of the electromagnetic waves. Now, we can go for the, this thing is here, the magnitude of the electric field. So, we know it electric field, and in this case we know it C is equal to E naught upon B naught. So, we can write E naught is equal to C into B naught, that is E naught is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 into 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7. So, that is coming here 60 volt per meter. So, we can write the same equation for the electric field, and this equation will be here. When you write this one, you will be getting Ez is equal to 60 sin 0.5 into 10 raised to power 3 x plus 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11 into t, that is volt per meter, and this wave is travelling along the plus z axis, because the wave is propagating along x axis and magnetic field is along y axis. So, we know in electric field, in electromagnetic waves, electric and magnetic field oscillates both perpendicular to each other. So, obviously, electric field has to be along the plus z axis.